With low-code, businesses can transform ideas into powerful applications with ease using graphical interfaces and ready-to-use elements. Whether you are a seasoned developer or a business enthusiast with minimal coding knowledge, low-code empowers you to create faster, iterate quicker, and modernize your business. Outsystems is one such leading low-code platform. With Outsystems, we can bid goodbye to complicated coding and take a user-friendly, visual approach to create modern applications. Let's dive into a use case where we shall create a mobile app to track health and fitness records of individuals. This Evident solution seamlessly integrates with wearable devices, enabling the collection of real-time health and fitness data. The app can be used by doctors and healthcare experts for further diagnosis. Building an app is a simple 3-step process. Step 1. Add a fitness plugin to your app from the Forge Marketplace, a repository of reusable components. Step 2. Create the user interface using Outsystems out-of-the-box widgets, images, sections, and dynamic labels. You can customize the interface to make it appealing, user-friendly, and in harmony with the customer's UI styles. Step 3. After incorporating fitness metrics data, compile and publish the app on Platform Server. The app lets practitioners track vital signs for a comprehensive view of a person's health. Check historical data and trends for each vital sign, displayed in easy-to-understand charts. Using Outsystems visual tools, pre-built parts, and simplified steps, creating digital apps is now simpler and faster. Evident uses the power and versatility of Outsystems' low-code platform to easily build, deploy, and scale applications, while maintaining a high level of customization and control. Allow us to help you simplify your application building using Outsystems.